what it takes to know you're near. And what if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise? When friends betray us, when darkness seems to win, we know that pain reminds this heart that this is not our home. It's not our Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if my greatest disappointments or the aching of this life is a revealing of the greater thirst this world can't satisfy? And what if trials of this life will rain the storms, the hardest nights are your mercies in disguise?